Hey there, space cadets! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the biggest, most mind-bending questions out there. What if aliens were real? Buckle up, because we're about to take a journey through the cosmos, exploring the possibilities, the theories, and the downright mind-blowing implications of extraterrestrial life. Alright, let's kick things off with the big guns, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, AKSETI. Picture this. A bunch of scientists huddled around gigantic satellite dishes, scanning the heavens for any sign of alien chatter. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi flick, except it's real, and it's happening right now. You see, since the birth of radio astronomy, we've been pointing our antennas towards the stars, hoping to catch a signal from ET. And while we've picked up a few tantalizing blips and bleeps over the years, we're still waiting for that definitive hello, Earthlings, from across the galaxy. But hey, just because we haven't heard from our cosmic neighbors yet doesn't mean they're not out there. The universe is a big place, filled with trillions upon trillions of stars, each potentially harboring its own alien civilizations. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack the size of the Milky Way. But hey, we're nothing if not persistent. Now, here's where things start to get really trippy. Ever heard of the Fermi paradox? It's the idea that, given the vast number of stars and planets in the universe, and the high probability of some of them harboring intelligent life, we should have encountered aliens by now. So where are they? Well, that's where the Drake equation comes in. This bad boy, cooked up by astronomer Frank Drake back in the 60s, tries to estimate the number of detectable extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy. It takes into account factors like the rate of star formation, the number of planets per star, and the likelihood of life evolving on those planets. But here's the kicker. Even the most optimistic estimates from the Drake equation suggest that we should have at least a few alien neighbors out there. So why haven't we found them yet? Are they hiding from us? Or are we just not looking in the right places? Alright, let's shift gears for a sec and talk about everyone's favorite conspiracy theory, UFOs. You know, those mysterious flying saucers that allegedly zip around our skies, defying the laws of physics, and giving conspiracy theorists something to chew on. Now, before you start calling me a tinfoil hat-wearing nutjob, hear me out. While the vast majority of UFO sightings can be easily explained away as weather balloons or misidentified aircraft, there's a small percentage that defy explanation. Pilots, astronauts, even military personnel have reported seeing objects in the sky that seem to defy conventional explanation. And then there are the government cover-ups. Oh boy, where do I even begin with this one? From Roswell to Area 51, there's no shortage of stories about shadowy government agencies hiding the truth about UFOs and alien encounters. Whether you believe these tales or not, one thing's for sure, they sure do make for some juicy gossip. Alright, let's delve into the weird and wacky world of alien abductions and close encounters. You've heard the stories, people getting snatched up by little green men, subjected to bizarre medical experiments, and then dropped back on Earth with no memory of what happened. Sounds like something out of a bad sci-fi flick, right? Well, believe it or not, thousands of people around the world claim to have had experiences like these. And while skeptics might write them off as sleep paralysis or hallucinations, there's a small but vocal minority who swear up and down that they've come face to face with extraterrestrial visitors. But hey, who am I to judge? Maybe there's more to these stories than meets the eye. After all, we still have so much to learn about the universe and the creatures that inhabit it. Maybe, just maybe, there's more to the cosmos than we could ever imagine. Alright, let's wrap things up with a little thought experiment. What if, tomorrow, scientists announced that they'd discovered undeniable proof of alien life? How would the world react? Would we greet our newfound neighbors with open arms? Or would we cower in fear, worried about what they might do to us? It's a tough question, and one that sparked endless debate among scientists, philosophers, and sci-fi nerds alike. But here's what I think. Discovering alien life, whether it's a single-celled organism on Mars or a hyper-advanced civilization on the other side of the galaxy, would be the greatest scientific discovery in human history. Sure, it might shake up our understanding of the universe, challenge our beliefs, and force us to confront some uncomfortable truths about our place in the cosmos. But hey, isn't that what science is all about? Pushing the boundaries of what we know, exploring the unknown, and daring to ask the big questions. So, here's to the dreamers, the stargazers, and the believers. Whether you're scanning the skies with a telescope or scouring the internet for UFO sightings, never stop asking, what if aliens were real? And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour through the weird and wonderful world of extraterrestrial life. Whether you're a die-hard skeptic or a true believer, one thing's for sure, the universe is a big, strange, and endlessly fascinating place. And we've only just scratched the surface. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and who knows? Maybe one day, we'll finally get that cosmic hello we've been waiting for. Until then, stay curious, stay skeptical, and keep on exploring. Peace out, Space Cowboys.